historic household shoes. Today I'm unboxing and sharing summer comfortable shoes for ladies. Also, I will be sharing with you my regrets shoes that I regret buying. If you want to find out what I wear for summer and the reason why I'm not a size 40 anymore and now a size 41, please watch to the end. Let's unbox this quickly. This is my Chanel ballerina flat. It comes with 2 dust bags for the shoes, just in case you're traveling, to protect the sole from staining your outfit you're going to put in your luggage. These are the Chanel ballerina flats. Before we get into my shoes, quick question. Is anyone else like me where your shoe size changes depending on the season? During the summer season, I am a size 41. Before I start giving birth, I used to be the same size. Summer, winter, spring, whatever time of the year is a 40. But after having babies, something changed because I can't manage during the summer. So I had to go for a size 41. I also have another ballerina here. I have another one here. These are size 41. I went to the Chanel shop to give my accessory for them to repair, and then I thought of, why don't I get another pair of ballerina and get rid of this one, because this shoe, I've used it. I've used the life away from these shoes and it's still in good condition. One thing about Chanel shoes, they are very comfortable. I could use them for errand, to dress up, to dress down during the day, at night sometimes when I do not want to wear heels. I use them and I could use them all year round. But after having kids, I can't bear a size 40 during the summer. I think maybe because of the humidity, the sun. This is why my feet said, okay, we are done with cute pins. Let's start getting a size 41. This is why I got this. And before I got this, although I don't do unboxing in this channel before, so I'm not good with this unboxing. The video is going here and there. When I watch other people's unboxing, I usually like them, but when I put on my camera to want to do, it's not really falling in place. So please bear with me anyhow this goes. So I'm selling my size 40 and this is still on my website. If you want to get this, you could check in Webster Collective and Vinted. You could also get it authenticated as well, just in case you want to be sure you're buying original. Yes, all my items are original, so you could send them for authentication. This is well loved, well used. You could see it has a dent here, but yeah. Some of the shoes I use for summer. During the summer, I love to wear colorful shoes. These are from Sarenza. Why I'm showing this, last week when I went to church, someone was asking me, what shoes is this? That she have seen me with a couple of colorful shoes and she liked them. Actually, this wasn't the one she requested to see. One moment, let me show that. Okay, welcome back. I love to wear colors because colors are beautiful. I was wearing this. This is CD Christian Dior, and she was like, oh my god, that means it will be expensive. I said, okay, if you are looking for more affordable brand, there are other fancy brand you can actually buy. This is from Sorenza, made in France. This is same brand Sorenza, but this is made in Spain. It's same brand because you know this brand, they have warehouse maybe in Italy, Spain. Yeah, so this is a French brand, but this is made in Paris. This is made in Spain, but they are from Paris. If you want to get any of this, before I upload it, I will try it. Okay, I can actually put gorgeous. It looks very playful, very feminine, very classy body. Very classy. Instead of spending money to buy and uncomfortable shoes, like for example my red bottom Christian Louboutin. I made a big mistake to buy them because I am selling some of my pumps and it takes forever to sell them, number one. Number two, the value very low. It's like money thrown away, because like I said earlier, something happened to my feet, because it's impossible for someone to have original size 40 and now it's now 41. I don't know if it happened to any of you. Please let me know, because when I was telling my husband, it's like impossible the first time. So I'm like, no, you won't understand what I'm referring to, because he thought when I'm complaining from the first time, he thought, okay, you want to buy new shoes, you want to spend money, this is an excuse to spend money. But he didn't understand. When I start to sell my Louboutin pumps, he was like, why are you selling them? It's money thrown away. I'm like, I'm not using them. I suffer too much discomfort in them, and maybe because they are heels. And then I try to, just a moment, I think I will show you another one that the price is reasonable as well. Okay, this place is a mess now. Oops. But anyways, here, this I advertise it on sale. Until now I've not sold this, just in case any of you want this. It's in my page to purchase. And this is my wedding shoes. I wanted to sell it, but I was speaking with a friend. She was like, your wedding shoes, you're supposed to leave it when you have a baby girl to show her. But I don't have a baby girl, I have 2 sons. And instead of leaving it there to collect dust, I'm considering putting it up for sale. I haven't put it up on sale yet. I only used these shoes once for my wedding. I still have the box, and I believe the invoice came with me also if you need any of these. It's a gorgeous shoes. Very comfortable for my wedding, and I think I'm getting old as well. So buying a red button, for me, waste of investment if you are buying it for investment. Although when I was buying this, I didn't buy it for investment's sake. I just bought it because I love them. If you are considering buying shoes, just get a comfortable, stylish footwear. It must not be expensive, must not be what everybody uses. This is Sophia Webster. It's not so expensive. It's, yeah, but it's not like the Dior, the Louboutin price. And this heel, I walk comfortable with this, even if it's a 40, because the heels are not tall. Is it tall? High? I don't know. The heel is not as high as the Louboutin. You see that? And I can breathe from behind. It's a kitty heel. So kitty heels are best during the summer. So I go out with my to feel more dressed. I usually use these heels because they are more comfortable. Oh, I think I ruined this part because maybe it's sinking to in between. Anyways, yeah, shoes are meant to be worn. During the winter, I still use colorful shoes. I don't want to be seen with black, 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 brown, black. No, I love colors so much. Here, this is the Scholl. When I saw this during my university days, I used this a lot. I got it from the thrift store in Nigeria, and I think I got it maybe 120 naira. That's like less than 50 cents now. I trekked. This is a size 40. For open shoes, I still use 40. If you are building a comfortable summer shoes collection, you would want to consider any of these because these are comfortable. This Scholl is taking me to my college days, although it's made of wooden here, but it's very comfortable on my feet. And I also use wedges. Oh, I have to stand up it. Anyways, I believe many of you know wedge. And also, espadrille. This is a sandals espadrille, and you could also wear a leather sandals. Beautiful. Just a moment. This is going to be a cut and join video. This is a sandals, and you can get any one from the market that fits your skin tone. This brown, it suits my skin tone so much. During the summer I use it if we're going for tourist attraction. And you know, when you go to Europe during the summer, please do not listen to Google Map that say you are close. So you want to wear shoes that are not comfortable. You need a comfortable footwear, because the journey sometimes you go hill, you climb. So it's best to go with comfortable. This is an espadrille. It's from Uteku. Maybe I'm not pronouncing it rightly, but this is a Spanish brand. It's very pretty on my feet. During summer, I see people gaze at my feet when I walk with this, with a cute dress. This is from Scholl. It's a size 41 as well. One of my most comfortable shoes. It's made of suede. This suede material. And all I've showed you here, I'm not a minimalist, okay? I'm not following the trend. I'm only trying to reorganize my closet, sell things I'm not using. So I'm embracing and I'm exposed to you all my seasonal identity crisis. Fit crisis. Are made of leathers. These Chanel shoes are made of lambskin. These purely summer shoes, and the front is made of pattern leather, and the sole is made of lambskin. And if you're looking to buy your summer bag, or you're looking to buy some vintage purses, I have some of my purses advertised already, so you can visit my website. The link will be at the description to purchase. And someone else told me the price Webster Collective is asking as commission is too much. I'm sorry, yes, it's true. They are charging too much. Also for me, I'm paying, I think it was 20% I was paying before. They deduct from me whatever I sell in that platform. If you are in Europe, same item you find in Webster Collective, you can find them in Vinted. Vinted, they don't charge you commission. You only pay protection fee, and it's very little. I think it's 2% or so. I can't remember. It's way less. I would make another video to show you the bags I have for sale, because some people say they don't see the bag. Please don't be lazy. If you want to buy something, just scroll through. You will find whatever I have, you will see all of them there. And someone said commission, you only pay buyer protection fee, just in case if it lost, Vinted will pay you back, right? And also you can get it authenticated again. From Webster Collective, it's a must. They will authenticate it for you. This is my summer shoe haul. I will leave the names in the description box in case you want to buy any of these. I don't have commission. This is not a promotion or anything as such. I just needed to share with you the comfortable heels I use during the summer. I hope it's helpful. Enjoy your summer, everyone. Bye.